tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable and use the Zoho Forms integration with Workload. Once you create an account, you'll see a screen very similar to this one here. And what you'll do is click on the first step here, which is to add a trigger. And it's asking us now to select an app for our trigger event. We're going to use Zoho Forms. And now we're going to select our event. We have only one event here that you can trigger a workflow with, and that's the new form entry. We're going to select that. We're going to choose our account next, and I have already authenticated my Zoho Forms account, but if you have not, click on the blue button here to add your account and go through the authentication steps to authorize Workload. I'm going to select my Zoho Forms number 2, and I'm going to set up the trigger now. It's going to ask me about which form I want to use. And I have a form here that's called the Big Man Test. So we're going to go with that form. And now we're going to test the trigger. And now you can see we have a timer here, and it's waiting for us to go to our form and input some data. So let's do that. Add a response. This, just some dummy data in here. American Samoa. And we'll submit that data. And there we go. We have our data has been picked up. And you can see it's all the information that we typed in. So we're going to save and close this step. And now we are free to integrate anything we want with Zoho Forms, any of the data that came from the form submission. So for example, you could enter this information into a Google Sheet. If it's contact information, you could enter it into a CRM tool like HubSpot or Salesforce. But just to show you what it kind of looks like here when you are doing stuff, we have a simple send an SMS text message action. So let's say that we got someone's phone number there and we want to enter it in. Let's just pretend that this is a phone number. So there it is. You just map the field there, and then the message could be, I don't know, the person's email address, and welcome to Workload. So if we hit test action here and submitted this, now we'll see we were sending an SMS text there, but we got an error because it's not a real phone number. But I just wanted to showcase kind of how the building an action works. So for every automation, you have to have at least a trigger and at least one action in order to turn on and activate the workflow, which would be the final step here. So we'll turn that on. And now anytime someone submits our form on Zoho, we will be sending them a text message with this message, welcome to Workload, plus their email address. Thank you very much for watching. And as always, we're here to support and help our users any way we can. So leave a message in the comments or email us at support@workload.co.